My name is Julia, and I'm with Julia Sue's Stamping. I'm so excited that you're here to hang out with me for a few minutes. Thank you so much for giving me a little bit of your time. It means the world to me, and I appreciate it. I wanted to talk to you today really quickly about a quick tip. Have you ever seen your cards or projects after you have mailed them to somebody? I'm lucky because I have. I send a lot of cards and things of that nature to my mom and dad. And when I do, my mom puts them up on a bulletin board or somewhere else that she can see them and kind of show them off at her house. And I've sent some things that didn't mail well. They didn't turn out well at all in the mail. And I'm here today to talk to you about a tip to help that go better. I have learned over the years what can work, and I wanted to share that with you. So if this is your first time here, then welcome. And if you've been here lots of times before, then welcome back. I live in Northeast Ohio. I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, so everything I use is Stampin' Up! We're going to get started. Are you ready? Here we go. When I create cards, a lot of times I like to put sequins on them, or I have multiple layers on them, so they're not exactly a flat item to mail. Some of the embellishments that get put on are actually much higher, like these little embellishments are much higher than something like this type of embellishment, or even the sequins. So a lot of times I really like to use the sequins because they're lower. These add the most perfect touch sometimes, and exactly what I wanted on the card. So I don't want to not use them because they're perfect and it adds a fabulous touch. So over the years I have learned this. When I am making a project with a lot of embossing folder being used, I will cut some extra cardstock, maybe of a cardstock that isn't fancy. Maybe I got it from somewhere inexpensive. I will go ahead and emboss a bunch of pieces. These are actually 4 inches by 5 1/4. And then when I go to mail them in the envelope, I will put it on top of the item that I want to have look as nice as possible with the sequins or other type of embellishment. Put it into the envelope in this way, and then mail it out. This little bit of embossing does not, this one piece of cardstock that is embossed is not going to mean an extra stamp for you. If you have to put an extra stamp on, it's because of your card. It isn't going to be because of this one little piece of embossed cardstock that you put in. So if you've got a regular card that's good to go, except it's got some embellishments on it that may poke through the envelope or end up causing issues with the postal service, putting an embossed sheet on top of it of cardstock will make a world of difference. It will not end up going through the envelope, and it will get to its destination looking just as nice as when you put it into the envelope. That's amazing. It's such an easy thing to do. I will end up cutting a piece of these. I'll have 8 maybe at a time, or as you can see, I did 3 sheets of cardstock, so I have 12 now sitting here on my desk. I just keep them on my desk, and then when I'm sending out cards, I will put one in if it has embellishments, so that I know that the card will look beautiful when it arrives, just like when I made it, hopefully. So that's what I like to do. I thought I would share that quick tip with you. Please give the video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, or follow me on social media. If you already have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, that's okay. If you choose to use me though, thank you. I appreciate your support of my small business. So that's it. It's such a simple, quick, and easy tip, and it won't cost you any more money to mail, so that's a good thing. And it helps your project, your cards, end up looking as awesome at the end of the trip as they did when you put it into the mailbox. I hope you have a fantastic day and that you have an opportunity to get inky. Bye.